Hey guys, this video is for you if you're wondering how to change a Tabby mobile number, or basically how to do you change, my Tabby number. So what you want to do is actually launch the Tabby app, come to the bottom right, click on a profile. Then from here, just scroll all the way down until you see this section right here, which says contact us. I want you to tap on this. And basically what you want to do, you need to contact Tabby support team directly through their support channel right here. There is no self-service option to change the phone number through the app, so you'll need assistance from a support agent, like right here. So you can just tell them that you want to change your Tabby mobile number. You can also contact them via email. Their email is help@tabby.ai. You can contact them there as well, and they will assist you with this. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.